One of those places you can't believe still exists. Actual books on actual shelves, many bound in actual leather. This is the story of the Argosy Bookshop. There are also maps and prints and autographs. 6 floors bursting with the best of civilization. And it all started with an immigrant named Lou, who spent every spare nickel on his beloved books until he had enough to open a store. Barely.
It wasn't enough to fill the shelves in the store, so he put them face out instead of like this. And,
so the shelves wouldn't look too empty.
Right.
He raised 3 brilliant girls amid these stacks. And Naomi, Judith, and Adina never left. Not when he passed in '91, and not now, even though the building he left them is worth a fortune. The place next door sold for $49 million.
They wanted
What
to
are you 3 doing here? You could be in a hammock
We
in the
could be in a
Caribbean.
I'd rather be here. That's the whole thing. We really
love what we do.
It's very exciting when you're called to look at a library and we price each one and put each one in the place where it ought to be. And then people come in and they're so thrilled to buy it. And they're happy and I mean, it's a very wonderful cycle.
Do you see the internet as an asset or an enemy?
Both. It's an asset because we reach hundreds of thousands more people than we ever could. It's a detriment in that cheaper books are harder to sell. Books that used to sell for $20 or $25, you can find for $2 on the internet. But rare books become even more rare as you realize no one else has a copy. We have books on the shelf here that are 100 years old, 200 years old. Where's your Kindle going to be in 200 years?